ngihle kwami nawe sekuphelile hamba babone phambili mali yami isephelile nalothando sephelile makavuka empetheni athi babe ngiyosebenza kana uyohlala abafana kuza khona ekutholima makangene emabaleni ngimukele ngenjabulo yeah kana ngabudela ngene ngihle imali amakhwapheni yeah lo mfati uyangihluka wethu lo mfati uyangicilata
yeah record sure lalela lo mfazi uyangihlala vela mina ngiyafaya kunini ngicabanga sengifuna nokuhamba yini indaba ngavayi ngoba vele uyangihlala nabangani bangitshela ukuthi yena uyangibhanca angivani nodoti cause ngikhulele egazi I forgive you twice and you did it twice now I'm working hard just to get the money I'm hustling hard just to get the paper now I'm high though and I'm spitting flame this wife my nigga put me in hell all my enemies now they're stress free keep their eyes on me especially all my enemies this time around I'll become a man and this time around I will try my best I thank God bro for another strain now I'm high dog I escape in here this time dog I don't play more games this time dog I'm gonna make it better I'm gonna make it
better ungafuma yini umfati ahlale ngawe exen makavuka athi babe nyabuya atbosa lupheka ngoba mina ngiyasebenza uyahlale phansi lapha ekhaya ngendilutho lo mfati ulifila lo mfati uyaganga lo mfati ulifila akafuneki lapha ekhaya lo mfati uyaganga lo mfati ulifila lo mfati uyaganga akafuneki lapha ekhaya yeah asam abangani bangikhutha kodwa bemfale emadlebe ngithi bafuna kungihlela ndisola kube ngalalela umngani ngingawathi mako ngamlalela umngani manje ngikhalela ngomotaba dawubuya kanjani bengimthanza